While it may seem contradictory because swimmers are constantly surrounded by water, the risk for decreased performance due to dehydration is as high for people that participate in water sports as land sports. We're going to discuss some of the dangers and consequences of dehydration for athletes, as well as basic guidelines that can help you stay properly hydrated. It is important to remember that not everyone has the same requirements and to learn to listen to your body for its hydration needs. The Harvard School of Public Health recommends that men should drink 15 cups of water per day and women should drink 11 cups per day. This is before any additional needs due to exercise. From the chart, you can see some of the important roles water plays in the human body. Just as the air temperature and humidity affect land exercise hydration needs, the temperature of the pool water and content of the air outside the pool affects swimmers. Many indoor pools can have a higher humidity, which impairs the body's ability to sweat and cool itself. Higher water temperatures lead to higher body temperatures, which when dehydrated can not only decrease performance, but also have dangerous health consequences. Symptoms of dehydration can go from minor to major, but as an athlete there are more consequences than for others. With dehydration comes impaired sport performance, partially from reduced glycogen stores, which decreases your level of endurance, leading to faster fatigue, shorter performance time, and longer recovery. Heart rate will also increase, as well as the potential for decreased brain function and a higher risk for muscle cramps. 2 to 4 hours before exercising, it is recommended that you drink 5 to 7 milliliters of water per kilogram of body weight. For a 125-pound person, this equals about 1 to 3 cups of water. Including a small snack with sodium, such as pretzels, can help you to stimulate thirst and retain any fluids consumed. For best practice, never begin a workout thirsty. It is a sign that you might already be dehydrated, which will only worsen with exercise and could lead to poor performance during your workout. Everyone's body handles consuming both solids and fluids differently while exercising. While the American College of Sports Medicine recommends drinking 3 to 8 ounces of water for every 15 to 20 minutes of exercise, it is important to see how your body responds and slowly add more water while training to let your body adjust. If the workout will last more than 60 minutes, drinking a sports drink that has carbohydrate is encouraged to maintain energy stores. After exercising, the rehydrating process should last several hours and include both fluids and food, with the overall goal to rehydrate 150% of water loss due to increased urine output during the hydration process. Added carbohydrate and sodium will help to retain fluid and restore glycogen. Chocolate milk has become a popular post-exercise drink due to its proven benefits for recovery and rehydration. So, now that you know how important it is to be hydrated, how can you tell if you are? The easiest way is to look at your urine color. Light yellow or clear urine shows good hydration, while the darker or more brown it is, the more dehydrated you are, as the scale shows. It is a good idea to always take notice of your urine color and have an idea of what your average hydration status is, so that any significant changes will be more noticeable. However, your diet, especially any supplements or vitamins you take, can cause your urine to change color drastically, most commonly to a bright neon yellow. Another method is to weigh yourself pre- and post-exercise. Eating, drinking, or body waste elimination in between taking weights will affect your total water loss and needs to be accounted for. Water bottles that have measurements on them can be very helpful in keeping track of your water intake. You should always take a water bottle to practice and preferably take one everywhere you go to make sure you always have water accessible. To make it more interesting, you could always add a lemon or lime wedge for flavor, or one of the many flavor options, such as Crystal Light, that are available in your local grocery store.